Are you working 50 to 60 hours a week and not spending quality time with your family? Many people feel they're doing the best for their family, working long hours, but aren't, because all our families want is for us to spend more time with them. I was working long hours and travelling for long periods. I was missing my family's life events and wasn't there when they needed me the most. I felt I was failing in my relationships with my wife and children. Do you feel that way too? I have a solution. Online businesses grant you the freedom you want to spend invaluable time with your family, coupled with financial security, so you can be the partner your spouse dreams of and the parent your children crave. If you want more information on this concept, click on the Learn More button. Somewhere around this video, this will take you to my website. Just share a name and email address and I'll send you free workshop videos immediately. The videos will show you the proven methods with shortcuts and the fastest way to set yourself up with an online business that will serve you for the long term, so you can spend more time enjoying your family's favourite pastimes. I've been working alone at 5-star resorts around the world and watching people swimming, lazy next to the pool and just relaxing with their family. And I was thinking, I was wasting my life. I should be one of those people. I thought now is the time for me to take control of my destiny. I regret I didn't take control of my life earlier. Picture this, the blissful embrace of laughter and joy, surrounded by the warm company of family and friends, while the sun-kissed waters of a luxurious resort beckon you to indulge in leisurely relaxation. It's a life we all yearn for, isn't it? In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months and increasing every year. With these numbers, there are countless simple ways you can make money online. For example, more than 11,000 affiliate programs where you get paid for helping business market and sell their products online, either through your website or e-commerce platforms like Amazon. You can build your online business at your own place from home. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet connected device. No bosses dictating your work schedule. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world with an uncapped income potential. To achieve all this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. I have the guidance you need. Click the Learn More button somewhere around this video and register. Simply share your name and email and I'll share how you can embark on this life-changing journey. Take the first step towards reclaiming your time and nurturing your most cherished relationships. Click the button now.